At Joolz, we support all parents. The Globetrotters, the homebodies, the part-timers, the career tigers, the design fanatics, the laissez-faire purists. We like to celebrate the good things in life, the first moment you embrace your little one, and all those other first happy moments. But also the challenges you're faced with as a brand new parent every day. We take our inspiration from all of these moments. We believe that good parenting is all about being happy. That's why we offer you the building blocks to spark your life with positivity. We call that positive design. We are a fast-growing Dutch company from Amsterdam. Since 2004, we've worked hard on our dream. Whether you like to travel the world or simply stroll your local market, our award-winning ergonomic, comfortable, stylish pushchairs and car seats are designed to help you enjoy the ride. Add to that our wide range of organic accessories and the unique opportunity to personalize your Joolz bumper bar, and you're ready to roll. We organize events to inspire you and contribute to your sunny future. Take our reusable packaging and the Joolz Birth Forest, where we plant one tree for each pushchair we sell. Our Amsterdam headquarters, which is housed in a sustainably renovated factory with greenhouses and other smart energy-neutral solutions. While we focus on today, we work hard to create a better tomorrow. So, whatever defines your happiness, go after it and live it. Because happy parents grow happy children. Let's grow together. Joolz, positive design.